Hello everyone, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make Nigerian puff puff. Yes, Nigerian puff. This is new year puff puff, guys. So if it sounds like what you are interested on, just keep on watching. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just dive into the video.
So guys, this is the what I'm going to use to make the puff puff. This flour, these 2 cups of flour, this warm water, this is the bowl I'm going to use to mix it. This is a half cup of sugar, and this is yeast. Yes, I'm going to add it nutmeg. I think my nutmeg is not here. I'll add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. When I'm doing it, I will show you guys. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of yeast into the warm water to activate it. So this is the second spoon. Then I'm going to add sugar to it to mix it with. So we cover it with a clean cloth and just put it in a warm place. So while we are waiting for the yeast to be activated, we are going to pour in our 2 cups of flour, then the remaining sugar to it. You can adjust the sugar to your own taste. Then we just turn it very well, mix it together, just mix it together. Then we are going to add the nutmeg to it. Some people use zimmed, think cinnamon to it, but the traditional way is using nutmeg. So we are going to mix it together, mix it very well together.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video.
So after 5 minutes, we'll go get our yeast. I'm just going to make a well. That's where I'm going to pour our yeast. So guys, I've added my yeast into it, and I'm going to turn it very well, very well. I'm just going to mix it together very well. Remember, this water I used for the yeast is still the same 1 cup of water that we're supposed to use to mix all together. So we are going to turn it, and we are going to add the water again to it, just a little by little, and turn it very well. Just add a little bit water again to it.
Hey guys, I didn't even know my camera was not recording this, but what I did here, I just added a little bit of water and just turn it, mix it very well to get this foam. So right now I'm just gonna cover it with clean cloth, to allow it to sit 45 minutes. Just cover it at this point, cover it and allow it to sit 45 minutes for it to rise, and make sure you put it in a warm place so that it will rise fast.
So guys, after 45 minutes, look at what we have here. Yeah, so that is what we have here. So I'm going to turn it now, so I'm start frying it. And see how it is. Can see? So that is how it's supposed to. So guys, my oil is ready. when you are frying this puff puff, so the oil is not supposed to be too hot and it's not supposed to be too cold. If it's too hot, it will make the puff puff to just fry and it will not fry inside. And if it's not too hot the way it's supposed to be, the puff puff is going to soak oil. So right now the puff puff is ready. I'm going to wash my hand right now and start putting it. You can use your spoon, you can use anything you're comfortable with to just to do it. So I'm comfortable of using my hand, so I'm going to use my hand. I didn't even know that. Sorry guys, I didn't know that this is not recording, the camera is not recording. So I've poured some, I'm still putting it. Look at the way I'm doing it. I'll just put it this way. I'll just, so that it will form those, balls. So I'm turning it. So the other side will fry. I don't want it to burn. I think I didn't get the boss, so I didn't get it. It didn't even run. It's not run so much like that, but it's okay. That's the way I like. When I'm eating, I don't want my puff to look like buns, to be very strong while eating it. Like I want it to be just fluffy. When you're eating it, you feel that it's puff you're eating, not really buns. So you can see that is the way it is here. So I didn't get the shape. I didn't get the shape. I didn't get all the shapes yet. It's okay. It's okay. Just turning it so that it can fry together. I've turned the rest, just remaining this one so that it will fry together.
So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video.